Hello everyone, welcome to solve this nice math algebra or radical equation problem. So here we have n into square root of n and inside the square root of n. So here we solve this problem for the values of n. So the very first step we are going to do is here first we remove these two radical signs and then we easily get the value of n. So you know that in order to remove the radical sign, we need to take the square on both of the sides. So that here we take square on both of the sides of this equation. So this will be written in this form. So here you see that if we have the square of some numbers, if we have the square of ab equals to a square into b square, so it means that we separate the square of all of these numbers. So we have the square of n square and the square of square root of n into n and its whole square equals to 2 square becomes 4. So here you see that these 2 and square root are cancelled by each other and we get here n square into, here you have n into square root of n equals to 4. So here you see that this n square is multiplied by this n and we get here n cubed into square root of n equals to 4. So here again, in order to remove this square root or radical sign, we need to take again squaring on both of the sides. So that here we take squaring on both of the sides of this equation. So here again we use this fact and we separate the square of both of these numbers and we write it as n cube square into square root of n and its whole square equals to 4 square becomes 16. And now here we use the nice exponential law, and we know about exponential law. If you have exponent to the exponent, so these exponents are multiplied by each other and we get n to the power of 6, and this n 2 and square root are gone and here we get only n equals to 16. So when we multiply this n to the power of 6 by n, then we easily get here n to the power of 7 equals to 16. So here we take the 7th root on both of the sides and we easily get the value of n. So here we have n to the power of 7 and its whole power 1 over 7 and 16 and its whole power 1 over 7. So here we just take 7th root on both of the sides. So this 7 and 7 are cancelled by each other and finally we get the value of n equals to 16 and its whole power 1 over 7. So this is our final answer of this question. So now here we check this solution, is this value of n satisfied our given question or not. So here we first copy down the question statement. So it is n into square root of n and square root of n equals to 2. So now we substitute the value of n here and we check that is both of the sides have equal value or not. So now we substitute this value of n here and we get 16 to the power of 1 over 7 and square root of 16 to the power of 1 over 7 and square root of 16 to the power of 1 over 7 equals to 2. So here we use the exponential laws in order to equate both of the sides. So here first we focus on this term and we have 16 to the power of 1 over 7 and square root of 16 to the power of 1 over 7. And you know that if you have this square root sign, it means that we write exponent 1 over 2. So if we remove this radical sign to exponential form, so we write it as 16 to the power of 1 over 7 and its whole power 1 over 2 equals to 2. So here we use the exponential law and we get 16 to the power of 1 over 7 into 16 to the power of 1 over 7. So here using the exponential law and we multiply these two exponents and we get 16 to the power of 1 over 14, and this whole equals to 2. And now in the next step we have 16 to the power of 1 over 7 into square root of here you see that these two are multiplied by each other, and you see here our bases are same, so that we add its exponents and we write it as 16 to the power of 1 over 7 plus 1 over 14 equals to 2. And now we take the LCM of these exponents, and we here again write this radical equation into the exponential form. So we write it as 16 to the power of 1 over 7 into 16, and we take the LCM, and its LCM is 14. So we have 2 plus 1, you I think so you easily take the LCM of this term, and we write this radical to exponential form. So here we take the power 1 over 2, and this whole equals to 2. And now in the next step you see here we have 16 to the power of 1 over 7, and we have 16 to the power of 2 plus 1 is 3 over 14, and its whole power 1 over 2 equals to 2. So now we again use the exponential law, and we multiply these two exponents, and we write it as 16 to the power of 1 over 7 into 16 to the power of 3 over 14 multiplied by 1 over 2, and this whole equals to 2. So when we multiply these two exponents, then we easily get 16 to the power of 1 over 7 into 16 to the power of 3 over 28 equals to 2. So here you see that again we have bases are same in the left hand side, so that we add its exponents and we write it as 16 to the power of 1 over 7 plus 3 over 28 equals to 2. So here we again take the LCM of this term, and we write it as 7 4s are 28. So we have 4 plus 3, and this whole term equals to 2. So here we simplify its exponent, and we write it as 16 to the power of 7 over 28 equals to 2. So this equation implies that 7 4s are 28. So here we get 16 to the power of 1 over 4 equals to 2. So this implies that here we write this 16 as 2 to the power of 4. We know that 2 to the power of 4 is equals to 16, and its whole power 1 over 4 equals to 2. So this 4 and 4 are cancelled by each other, and here we easily get 2 equals to 2. So this shows that our left hand side equals to right hand side. So this means that the value of n satisfied our given question statement. So this is the our final answer, and thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.